We must go get even. We must go get him. Aha! This is our chance to stop him. Big evil truck. That's our Christmas tree. And those are Christmas lights. And that's our friend Santa Claus. And that's our garland too. It's not fair. You got more decorations than us. Everybody likes good guys better than bad guys. Nonsense, evil monster truck. The big green car likes all of his engines. Not you. Hey, look. I got the new Christmas tree that the big green car has given on to me. Oh, well, hello there, buddy. What's your occasion? Wow, look at all those Christmas lights. And that huge Christmas tree. What do you mean by evil monster truck? Yeah, 'cause you wanted to be kidnap him, aren't you? Yes, yes, I am. I'll, evil monster truck, explain yourself. I am so sorry. I didn't know what you were thinking of. And even when I was kidnapped Santa Claus. Oh no. What are those guys? Stop right there. You the one who was stealing Christmas stuff. Oh, do you know anything about this evil monster truck? Or you were the only one who's stealing Christmas stuff for us? And that's really a shame. You need to stop stealing Santa Claus. Yeah, and you should know that by now. Ugh, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I'll give the Christmas stuff back to you. It's okay, evil monster truck. Come on, let's get out of here, quick. Hey, ambulance truck. What? Where have you been, Where have you been? How long have you been up there? Oh, I forget. It's been about 2 weeks. 2 weeks? Oh dear. Maybe ambulance truck must have been locked up. Don't worry, ambulance truck and Santa. We'll get you out there in no time. Oh. Thank you, Percy. You're awesome. You're welcome. Now let's get out of here. Oh, okay. Let's go. Ah, it's a good thing we're back. Now let's go celebrate Christmas, alright? Of course, Percy. Feels so nice that Evil Monster Truck didn't steal Christmas at all. Yep, you're quite right. Beep beep. Oh no, not those bad guys again. See, it's all right. Wait, is that big? Is that evil Loda? Yeah, yes, Gordon, it's me. And I was being saved, and look at me now. I have looked like a Christmas tree. Ho ho ho! Thank you, Percy, for rescuing us. You two, you are the awesome Green Engine. Oh, you're welcome. And all of his other friends, too. Come look at me being colorful and showing me how to be look beautiful. Go on ahead, Evil Loda. You are being kind. Alright, now I will show you that I was being colored with the Christmas tree on. Like this. Psh. You are real funny. Yeah, you're right about this. Wow, how do I look? You looked wonderful. Hooray! Ah, thank you, everyone. Ah, I looked wonderful. Yep, you said about it. Oh, and Merry Christmas, everyone. Yeah, you're right about it. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. And a Happy New Year. And 2017 is coming up real soon. Yeah, you're right. It was totally coming up. Really? Really? Right. It is totally coming up. Yeah, true. Meanwhile, after